Hey you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a subby, thank you for being a part of the Jazzy Gang. Today I'm going to be roller setting my hair with some perm rods, and I just wanted to experiment and see how it looked. I would love a cute set style because even though my twist outs last a couple of days, I wanted to see if I can get my curls to be a little bit more defined and just kind of see if I can play with it a little bit. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. If you're interested, continue watching. Okay, so I finished retying my hair earlier today. You already know the drill. I used a crochet hook, which I am going to stop using because I found that it is snagging all over my hair and it's actually splitting some of my twists so that I have to re-twist them, and it's really annoying. I feel like that may slow down my process just a little bit if I have to keep retying, twist, how long it's going to take for them to lock. So yeah, I'm going to be buying a new tool this week, and I should have it this week, but of course I won't be able to use it until the next time I retie my hair. So stay tuned on how I feel about that. I did notice some knots or budding on the end of a couple of my locks. Well, two was like at the very bottom that really just looked like a knot of hair to me, which very well, it is what it is. But I also have another one where it's kind of towards the end, but not really the very end. But they really just look like knots, more so not like what I've seen other people's budding to look like how kind of long it is. They're kind of just like a whole bunch of fairy knots, kind of sort of, but a little bit bigger. But I mean, it might be budding. I have to go back and look at some of people's videos where they were budding at the ends, whose hair type is kind of like mine, and whose twists are kind of like mine, or texture. So I'll definitely let you know in the my 3-month update, if it really is budding, if there's any more that's acting like that, to make it kind of more consistent. But today I'm gonna moisturize my hair with all these different lengths, looking lengths. I'm gonna moisturize my hair, so I'm gonna throw in some baby water or some distilled water and some olive oil, since that's what I have. Okay, so I think I'm gonna kind of do it like how you would do it if you're getting a roller set. Like they do that row right there, and then the side's going down. So this is going back, everything else is going down, and these are coming to the side. I think I'm gonna do it like that. Act like I got some skills in roller setting my hair. Okay, part. My hair's gonna look so different when it drops. You look a little transparent, a little shiny. Okay, so probably ain't supposed to start with the front, but I do what I want. I don't know if I should do like 2 on one. Okay, so what color am I going to use? I'm just going to spray it a little bit more because I think it'll be better if it's a little damp instead of whatever it is right now. So, do I want tight? I think I'm going to do this size and the orange size. So we'll do this all around the back and the sides, and then the orange down the middle. One thing I know is that when I used to try to do this with my loose natural hair, it was always a fail, except for like maybe 2 times. Oh my gosh. I know it's the night before my birthday, but damn, give me a break. I wonder if I should do all the way tight, like a roller set. So it's the next day and I just pulled the rollers out. It's my birthday. So I literally just pulled the rollers out and separated them as much as I could. Hanging a little short, which is okay. I haven't decided if I'm going to kind of do something. No. Do we want to do one little tendril? So I'm trying not to look like a little kid, but I guess they'll drop. I could always wrap it and they'll drop, but this is what I'm looking like. I am going to get my makeup done. Where's my part? So all this is supposed to be going over here. But is that too high? I thought I was thinking about the little volume. I'm gonna edge control on open up this door because it's hot in here. It's just a warm day. In general, I need to take these other two earrings out. But I gotta be at the mall at 1 to get my makeup done. I'm gonna kind of switch this back or something. I'm just not feeling how it's looking. I don't know. Yeah, maybe tuck behind the ear a little bit or something. I'm gonna pull at the roots a little. Of course, I haven't picked up the mirror yet. Okay. The first thing that I found in my drawers of stuff. So, since I'm a little pressed for time, I'm just gonna, well, that slid off. I didn't know that. I'm just gonna pull it like. For whatever reason, there is a lot of edges over here, or edge space. Okay, so. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. This is the finished look of my perm rod set. And I got a little beat going on. Okay, let me know what y'all think. Before I left, my edges were laid and now they're not. So yeah, but this is how my hair looks. I love it like this. This might be my other go-to style besides the twist outs that I do. I'm just really feeling myself, you know, and as I should be. It's my birthday. It's a time to celebrate a new year and this chapter, but I'm just happy. Forgive me if I sound a little nasally. I do have a cold, but you guys, I think she did a really good job on my face, and hopefully I have the ability to mimic that and create these looks myself, because I just think it just makes me look, I don't want to say grown, because I am grown, but it just magnifies how I look. And I really appreciate her because I felt really pretty today. And today's been an emotional day for me. And I'm just so grateful, you know, and making me even more cuter. It helps. And I just feel really good. This is giving me Y'all know I love to say this give me doobie wrap vibes, but I got doobie wrap vibes, okay? So I got all my curls, and I have a little bobby pin right here that I'm gonna take out because I wanted it to kind of lay flat. So I think that did the job. I'm not gonna put any more edge control. But you guys, look at my curl. I did it. You can do it, okay? Because I am a lazy natural. I've always been a lazy natural. So if I don't know about all that now. I don't know about that. Like, don't do that, cause no, ma'am. But don't I look good? Okay. And y'all can see all the clean laundry that's on the bed. Okay, that's a no. That's a no. And then Callie's gonna come busting open through that door, which is fine. But I love it. I hope that you guys love it as well. I just like to tuck that back or give myself a little one piece. Okay. Y'all see that door open? What are you talking about? I'll give you a little back action. But yeah, so this is pretty much the look.